Hey everyone, so I am testing out today a new ring light by coloring a quick page from this book here, A Million Cute Animals. So this is the ring light I purchased, Vivitar Flexible Ring Light and Smartphone Kit. Alright, so quick pause to my coloring. So I like the setup. The setup is pretty good, but when I'm coloring or moving the desk a lot, this isn't like a super sturdy desk, the camera is wobbling. So let me go ahead and rearrange and see if I can make some modifications so when I color it's not shaking. I can't figure out how to get this arm out of the shot. So the only downside is that if you don't have like a super sturdy table, so when you make any sort of movement, the camera will shake. So I'm coloring and the camera is shaking because I'm not even coloring too aggressive. And this is how it shakes. Let me show you. And I can imagine that's going to be really annoying. So let me see if I can rearrange and switch the setup so I can stop the shaking. All right, so I rearranged and now the ring light is clamped to something else that's not the desk. So when I color, there won't be any shaking on the camera. So one other downside when it comes to this ring light is if you have a pop socket, the clamp used to hold your phone might not be as sturdy. So my pop socket is placed right in the middle of the back of my phone. So when I use the clamp on this ring light, I'm not putting it in the center. I have to put it at the edge of my phone, which isn't exactly the sturdiest, so you do have to be careful. So as long as you don't accidentally bump into the stand, how you place your phone shouldn't be an issue. Just make sure it's secure and then don't touch it while you're filming and it really should be fine. So let's go ahead and finish up this coloring page and see how everything holds up. So that is my fairly quick coloring job. I actually am very happy with how the ring light held up. It didn't flicker, it didn't turn off. My phone didn't fall once I placed it in the position I wanted it to be in. I think when it comes to this ring light, honestly, if you are filming on your phone and are doing a lot of desk shots, makeup tutorials, anything that's like close up in your face, I think this ring light is pretty good for it's $16 to $19 wherever you buy it, but I think that is very, very decent price. And since you're able to use a portable battery pack, that means that you can take this light wherever you want, and whether there's like an electrical outlet or not, you're still able to film as so long as you have a portable power bank.